Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So if you own a Mac and if you are facing double click issue in your Mac but you don't know how to fix it, then this video is for you. Also, if you don't know what is a double click issue, then let me show you. If I want to open this folder, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this, but you can see nothing is happening. I'm not able to open this folder and I'm facing the same issue for each and every file present on my Mac. So how to fix it? We are going to see that in this video. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before guiding you through each and every step, I know that it might be a hardware issue, but before getting to a conclusion or before rushing to Apple Service Center, it is always better to check settings. And in this particular case, you just have to see one particular setting. And for that, you need to go to system setting, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Now, once you open system settings, go and select accessibility option. And in accessibility, go down and look for motor, and under motor, you need to select pointer control. Now, once you select pointer control, you get multiple options on this particular page. Under mouse and trackpad, you can see there is an option of double click speed. Currently, it is set to maximum, or you can say this is the fastest. So if I try to double click on the folder, I'm not able to open it. So what you have to do is try to decrease the speed. So let's keep it to 50% or 60% for now, and let's see if it is working or not. So this time, if I try to double click on the folder, I'm able to open it. Let's try to open another folder. If I double click over here, you can see I'm able to access it. So this is a simple setting which you need to check, and who knows, this might fix the problem. Now, even after doing this setting, if your problem is not fixed, then in that case, you can go to Apple Service Center. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.